Imagine standing in front of a mirror at 3 a.m. The person looking back at you is a stranger. You're tired. Not the kind of tired that sleep can fix, but a soul-deep exhaustion. You've lost your spark, your discipline, and maybe your purpose. Most people stay here. They accept this as their new normal, but not you. Today, we initiate the Ghost Protocol. 6 months of strategic isolation and intense rebuilding. By the time they see you again, they'll have to introduce themselves to you.
The first 60 days are about cutting the dead weight. America loves noise, but you need silence. Step 1. Monk mode. Stop overstimulating your brain. No more doom scrolling, no more cheap dopamine. You're going to fix your gut and your sleep. If you don't control your mornings, the world will control your life. Wake up at 5 a.m. Not because it's a trend, but because that's when the world is quiet enough for you to hear your own thoughts. Sweat every day. Physical pain is the only thing that silences mental noise. Now that the fog is clearing, we focus on the weapon, your mind. In America, your value is tied to the problems you can solve. Pick one high-value skill: coding, copywriting, trading, or public speaking. Spend 4 hours every single day mastering it. Don't look for motivation, look for obsession. While everyone is partying or complaining about the economy, you are becoming an asset. This is the boring middle. It's where most people quit. But this is where the transformation takes root. You are building a version of yourself that can never be fired. Month 5 is the hardest. The novelty has worn off. Your old friends are calling, asking where you've been. Your brain is begging you to return to your old, comfortable, mediocre life. This is where you develop grit. Remind yourself why you started. You didn't come this far only to come this far. You are redefining your identity. You aren't trying to be successful. You are becoming the person who deserves success. Fix your posture, change your wardrobe, and refine your speech. The internal change must now reflect externally. The final 30 days. The Ghost Protocol is ending. Look at your hands, your body, your bank account, and your mindset. You are not the person you were 6 months ago. You've rebuilt the engine while the car was moving. Now, step back into the world. But don't just walk, lead. People will notice the stillness in your eyes and the weight in your words. 6 months of discipline has given you a decade of an advantage. This wasn't just a challenge, it was a rebirth. Welcome back. The world is ready for you. Most people will watch this and do nothing. They will return to their distractions, their comfort, and their excuses. But you are still here. That tells me you're ready to pay the price. The Ghost Protocol isn't just a plan, it's a silent war against mediocrity. It's a pact you make with yourself in the dark, so that one day you can walk in the light. If this message resonated with the version of you that refuses to give up, then join our circle. Hit the like button to let the algorithm know that discipline still matters. Subscribe and turn on the notifications. Not for me, but for the daily reminder that your transformation has already begun. Disappear, rebuild, reveal. I'll see you at the finish line.